Welcome back. We're going to do an unboxing on this Yuzhen DIY miniature dollhouse. A lot of boards here. Several more boards. This looks like, this is actually the dust cover. It's clear in here, you can see it. Oh, and it says dust cover. So this is our dust cover. This kit came with one. This is all the different parts. Bag B, bag F, bag D, bag E, and bag C. This has a lot of fencing and railing in it. Wooden pieces. Already punched out. A bunch of railing. This piece looks broken. Some more railing and trim. This has our little trees in it. Gravel. Little lions. This is our lights. They already have the shrink wrapped tubing on them. Our battery compartment. File paper, sandpaper, and here we got a bunch of beads and end caps, a bunch of small beads, gold beads. H, K, L, J, and G. Whole bunch of little parts. Looks like maybe a table. Pink and yellow parts. I'm going to guess railings, windows, more railings and decorative pieces. This may be for the boat. Here we got an instrument. Little instrument there, guitar. Here's our water panel. Some of our main building. This is our instructions. These are instructions. With all the materials. It has a music box in it. And of course, lights. Here's the construction of all the pieces. That little instrument. This is our roof. Another water panel. Here's our parts to cut out. These will need to be ironed, so they're flat. So pretty, very pretty. Different pattern placements and background pieces. This is our base pieces. This looks like tree powder and decoration. Well, this is a whole mat of grass and flower and material. And metal wires. We've got a little Oriental girl. She's cute. Mistress of the house. There's our music box. And our wind-up key, little screwdriver and screws. And a box of rocks. This is a huge kit. It's absolutely huge. There are a lot of pieces. Some of them are very thick. Some of them are more delicate. It's a huge kit. A lot of pieces. A lot of pieces. I hope you'll join us when we put it together. Thank you. Have a good day.